Hello. In this video I'd like to give you some tips on how to use domains.com. Now, domains.com is a Web 2.0 Ajax application. The reason this is important is that it loads once, and then as you navigate about the site, it loads the pages in this content area here, but the menus at the top and down the side pretty much stay the same. Now, because of this, it's important that you do not press the back button on your browser. If you do, in all likelihood, you're going to go back to where you were before you came to domains.com. It's much better to use the links on the site to navigate about the page, about the site. So, for example, if we come over here, let's say we go to our one of our pages here, and then we want to get back to the home page. Don't press the back button, just click the logo and you're back where you started. Now I just want to show you a couple of other things quickly. Let's do a quick search here, and we'll go off to one of these pages here. Okay, now let's say we want to get back to our search. If I click the logo, I'll be back at the default home page, but I really want to get back to the search results, so I use the home link, and I'm right back at my search results. If I was scrolled down here someplace, I'll be back where I left off. So that's a good tip to remember. Okay, one other thing I'd like to show you quickly. Let's say we come over here and we load one of these other pages, like this one. And then we go to the owner's portfolio, and perhaps we go and look at another domain. Now you'll notice on these pages there's a backlink at the top. These links will always just take you back to the page that you just came from. So I can go pink, back to that one, back again, back to the search results. You'll notice that the pages load instantaneously. That's because we're not reloading the pages every time. They're still in memory. You just click the link and you're back there. Okay, lastly I just want to show you how you can perform the same function for multiple domains without a lot of navigating about the site. So for example, we're looking at neurogenes.net right now, and maybe we are on the Manage DNS page. Want to do some updates here. Then you want to switch to another domain. You can just click it down here. The page automatically reloads. Whatever's in the content area will reload for the current domain. If you have a lot of domains here, you can limit the list by just clicking these buttons, or even by entering a letter here, C, and it limits the results just to domains that start with C. Now the reports have some similar functions. If we go to the standard registered domains report, we can do the same thing. Just click on a different domain here, click on the page over here, and it automatically loads it for that domain. Come back here, click another one, and what was it? Name servers. It's already loaded, ready to go. If you need to see the DNS details for a domain, you can click this. Just a quick way of checking up to see what the DNS details are. And there's a Whois lookup. You can actually view the domain itself to see what it displays when you go to it in your browser. And these columns here, you can also sort the report based upon the domain name. For example, just click the little arrow there on whether or not it uses our name servers, the expiration date, and whether or not it's set to auto renew. So you might want to, for example, check domains that are due to expire fairly soon, and then check the auto renew settings for them. Okay, one last thing. If you're on a screen with limited screen space, this little button here can be a big help. You just click that, it hides the menu on the left, gives you more working space. When you're done, click it again and you're back where you started. So As you can see, there's a lot of ways to get around the site very quickly without navigating through a whole lot of menus, and this can really help, especially when you're managing quite a lot of domains. I hope this video has been some help, and thanks very much for watching.